Enable hands-free calling, wireless music streaming, safer driving, and easy connectivity in cars without built-in Bluetooth systems. Today's video is about top 5 best car Bluetooth adapters that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Sonru Bluetooth AUX adapter for car. This advanced Bluetooth 5.0 receiver is a smart upgrade for any non-Bluetooth car or older home audio system. It easily transforms wired devices into wireless ones, allowing seamless music streaming, GPS audio, and hands-free calling through a simple 3.5mm AUX connection. With Bluetooth 5.0 technology, it ensures fast pairing, stable transmission, and reduced signal drops. The connection remains reliable within a 33-foot range, making it convenient for both car and home use. One of its standout features is dual device connectivity, allowing you to pair two smartphones or devices simultaneously. The hands-free calling function is especially useful for drivers, enabling you to answer, reject, or redial calls safely without touching your phone. Sound quality remains clear and stable during calls and music playback. It supports a wide range of devices, including iPhone, Android, tablets, and MP3 players. With up to 12.8 hours of continuous use and an impressive standby time, it is highly practical for daily use. Overall, it's a compact, reliable, and efficient wireless audio solution. Now our second product is Samsung Bluetooth receiver for car. This Bluetooth 5.0 car audio adapter is a practical solution for upgrading non-Bluetooth car systems and home speakers into wireless streaming devices. With a simple 3.5mm AUX connection, it allows effortless pairing with smartphones and delivers smooth, stable music playback powered by Bluetooth 5.0 for fast transmission and a reliable signal range. One of its strongest features is the intelligent noise reduction system, using CVC 8.0 and DSP technology to significantly reduce background noise such as wind, traffic, and crowd sounds. This ensures clearer voice quality during calls, making communication much more comfortable while driving. The device offers up to 16 hours of continuous use on a single charge, and the Type-C fast charging support ensures quick recharging in about 2.5 hours. It can even be used while charging, adding extra convenience for long trips. Hands-free calling is easy with a built-in microphone and multifunction button, while voice navigation support helps keep driving safe. With dual device pairing and automatic reconnection, it delivers a seamless and user-friendly wireless audio experience. Our third product is Joyroom Bluetooth AUX car adapter. This JOROM Bluetooth 6.0 AUX car adapter is a powerful upgrade for any vehicle without built-in Bluetooth, delivering hi-fi stereo sound with improved stability and minimal audio delay. Thanks to Bluetooth 6.0 technology, it ensures faster transmission, stronger connection, and a reliable range of up to 100 feet, making it highly convenient for daily driving use. Call quality is significantly enhanced with dual microphones that capture voice from all directions, while CVC 8.0 noise reduction and a built-in filter IC help eliminate road noise and background interference. This results in much clearer hands-free conversations for both ends of the call. The plug-and-play design makes setup effortless. Just connect it to the 3.5mm AUX port and USB power, and it pairs automatically when the car starts. It also supports dual device connection, allowing seamless switching between music and calls. A multifunction button layout ensures safe, distraction-free control of volume, tracks, and calls, while LED indicators improve visibility at night. With multiple safety certifications and built-in protection features, this is a reliable and user-friendly car audio solution. Now number 4, Acer Gadget Bluetooth receiver for car. This Bluetooth 5.3 AUX receiver is a practical and versatile upgrade for any non-Bluetooth car or home audio system. With a 3.5mm AUX connection, it easily turns wired speakers, headphones, and car stereos into wireless devices. The latest Bluetooth 5.3 chip ensures fast pairing in seconds, stable transmission, and smooth audio without interruptions. Sound quality is impressive thanks to CVC 8.0 noise cancellation and DSP technology, which effectively reduces echo and blocks background noise like traffic or wind. This makes both music playback and hands-free calls noticeably clearer and more enjoyable. Battery life is another strong point, offering up to 16 hours of continuous use on a single charge. It also supports Type-C fast charging and can be used while charging, making it reliable for long trips or all-day use. The device supports dual pairing, allowing seamless switching between two devices without reconnecting. A built-in microphone and one-touch control button make calls and navigation safer while driving. Overall, it's a reliable, user-friendly, and feature-rich Bluetooth audio solution. And our last choice is Nulaxi Bluetooth car adapter. The Nulaxi KM18 Bluetooth 5.4 FM transmitter is a highly practical upgrade for any car, combining smart features with improved safety and convenience. Its 1.44-inch LCD display clearly shows important information such as incoming calls, FM frequency, music playback, and car battery voltage, helping drivers stay informed without distraction. The flexible gooseneck design allows easy adjustment of viewing angle, ensuring optimal visibility and comfort while driving. With Bluetooth version 5.4 technology, it delivers faster pairing and a more stable connection, reducing interruptions during music streaming or calls. Sound quality is another highlight, as built-in noise cancellation technology effectively reduces road noise and enhances clarity for both music and hands-free conversations. The all-in-one control button makes it easy to answer, reject, or redial calls, improving driving safety. It supports multiple playback options including Bluetooth, AUX, and TF card, and is compatible with a wide range of devices in 12V, 24V vehicles. Overall, it is a reliable, feature-rich, and user-friendly car Bluetooth adapter designed for safer and more enjoyable driving. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.